guys, and welcome to a how to hack Animal Crossing video. So I was having issues with this, and now I'm gonna make a video so you will understand it better. So what you're gonna need is a old Nintendo 3DS or the XL or the 2DS, and it has to be from this update to this one, not the 23. So hey, check that. If you go to system settings. Where is it? Let me say okay. And then you go right there. It will say. So yeah. And don't use the new 3DS. Because don't use this 3DS because it won't work. It's not supported with it. And then once you have that done, go to the links in the description. There'll be these two things. And you're going to scroll down where it says ACNO RAM tools and then download it. And then you're going to scroll all the way down with this and then download Leaf Tools. And then you're going to take your DS and then take the SD card out. And then take the SD card out. And then put it into your computer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go and then what you're going to do is you're going to open these two files. You're going to need WinRAR or 7-zip. And I'll put the description below to get these. And then all that you're going to do is you're going to drag these and then put it onto the SD card, not the DCM, just the main SD card like this. And then once you have all that done, close it, take the SD card, put it back into your DS, and then start Animal Crossing up. So what you're gonna need to do first is get a backup, because it could crash and you don't want that to happen. So wait for it. I've already hacked my town a lot. So I'm just going to show you how to do the simple ones first. The easy peasy ones. And then the rock breaker one. And then I'll do this one for another video. So yeah. Then I'll do this one down here. This one is the most bestest one. It's really cool. So then once you start up, make sure you get to this part where you can walk around. And then you're gonna go home, and you're gonna go to the blue thing right here, the web browser. And then this is where it wasn't working for me. So I was typing it in right here, but you're supposed to go to URL. So yeah. And then you're going to type in HTTP. This, you're going to type in bit.ly/ACNL underscore dummy. You're going to type that in. And then you're going to say confirm. Then it's going to come up with this screen. And then if it turns green, that means you did it good. Or if it just stays like that, that means you did it good. So then what you're going to do is you can take out the SD card. And then, wait, no, don't take out the SD card. Then once you have that, go inside of a house, the closest house near you, the closest building, and then you're gonna look through this list. The rock breaker, that one's easy. The villager one, this one seems really good. I haven't tried it yet. This one works. 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 That one, I haven't tried that one yet, cause I don't know. Yeah. So you can see that there's dirt right here and stuff. So I'm gonna use the grass one and and show you that it works. So if you click on the one that you want, there will be a QR code. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home menu and then click L and R. And then that will bring up the camera. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this thing in the bottom left. And then it will say searching for a QR code, align the code so that it lies within the frame. Then all that you're going to do is you're going to take a picture, not a picture, but then it will say a URL is found, and then it will say all that, and then you're going to say OK. And then it will say launch the internet browser, say OK. And then,
I finally get this one.
Hold on. And then this screen will pop up again, and then if it turns green, or if it just closed, and it comes up with an error, that means you did it correctly. Then just go back outside, and all the grass will be gone. See? Or not all the grass, the dirt, all the dirt will be gone. And this is really cool because it gets in like the cracks of everything, like dirt and stuff. Even right here, because that was supposed to be dirt too. But then it goes away after like one day, because there's supposed to be dirt in your town, like it's supposed to be like that, so I don't know. So then with the like the rock one, that one you can place down bells and then the rocks will spawn. Like if you place down 100 bells, this one will come. 200 bells, 300 bells, 400 bells, 500 bells. And then all that you do is you take a QR code of this, and then it will get rid of all the rocks and where you had bells. So, yeah, I'll make a video on how to do how to do this thing, not that one, this thing. So, yeah. Bye.